Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Adobe Premiere Pro with transcription for captions step by step clearly. To set up Adobe Premiere Pro for transcription and captions, begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add captions. Import the video file you wish to work with by navigating to the media browser and locating your file. Drag your video file to the timeline. With your video track selected, go to the text panel by clicking on Window in the top menu and selecting Text. In the text panel, select the Transcribe Sequence button. A dialog box will appear, asking you to choose your transcription settings. Select the language of your video from the drop-down menu. Review the other settings and make adjustments according to your requirements. Click on the Transcribe button to initiate the transcription process. Once the transcription is complete, you will see the text appear in the text panel. To create captions from the transcription, click on the Create Captions button in the text panel. A new dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose your caption settings. Adjust the settings for caption formatting and style as needed. Click on the Create button to generate your captions. The captions will now appear on the timeline as a new caption track. Review the captions and make any necessary edits by selecting them in the timeline and adjusting the text in the text panel. If you need to change the duration of a caption, simply click and drag the edges of the caption block. To change the style of the captions, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel. Make any adjustments to the font, size, and position to suit your video's aesthetic. Once you are satisfied with your captions, save your project. Finally, export your video by clicking on File, then Export, and selecting Media. Choose your export settings and click Export to finalize your video with captions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.